Hello YouTube, this is One-Legged Prepper, and I'm here to talk to you today about everyday carry stuff that I carry in my truck. We've got our general fire starting kit here, flashlight and batteries, matches, cotton ball for a quick fire starter, knife, folding. It'll get you a night or two of regular use out in the woods. Multi-tool, electrical tape, which is also a fire starter. Poncho, which can be used for shelter. Compacted toilet paper. An emergency roadside kit. Hand warmers and emergency sandbag that can be used as an emergency pillow for sleeping out in the woods. And as usual, if you found this helpful and useful, please feel to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, may the Lord bless you, keep you strong. This is a One-Legged Prepper, out.